So let's do another example. So we're going to add fractions here. So we have 1/3 and we want to add 5/12 to that. All right. So question one, do they already have a common denominator? Can we just add straight across? And here, as we look, these are going sideways, right? As you type them, you'll see 1/3 is the same as 1/3 written like this. Can be helpful to rewrite them so that they're kind of in this up and down orientation. Not necessary, but can help. So we look at the denominators, 1/3, 3, and 5/12, 12. Are 3 and 12 the same? Well, no. So we need to find a common denominator. So we do that by counting the multiples, right? So we say 3, 6, 9. I hit 12. So 12 is obviously going to be the first um, multiple that they share. Okay, so we have two new denominators of 12. So now we need to work our magic powers, right? Use Diva to help us in changing the look of these two fractions that appear in purple so that they share a common denominator while having the same exact value that they started with. So 1/3. Well, what did we do to this? 3 to turn it into a 12. We counted 3, 6, 9, 12, or essentially did 3 times 4. So as we do that, we know that we're going to use our 4 diva. 4/4. Legal to change the denominator so long as whatever you do to the bottom, you do the same thing to the top. So we did 3 times 4 to get our denominator of 12. We're going to do 1 times 4 to get our new numerator of 4. 4/12, same exact value as 1/3, different look. So then we say, all right, 12. Well, what did we do to 12 to turn it into 12? We didn't do anything. It just stays the same. So this stays the same. Or it really is a diva of 1/1, right? Identity property. So now that they have a common denominator, we can just add our numerator straight across. 5 plus 4 is 9 out of 12. Denominator stays the same. Now we have to ask ourselves, well, can we simplify? And the answer is, yeah, we can. And essentially, we can ask ourselves what 9 and 12 share, what factors they share. So if I count by, we can think of it kind of similarly to when we find a common denominator and we count by their multiples, right? 3, 6, 9, 12 is what we did. Well, now we can kind of think of that same thing if we can say, what are 9 and 12 both divisible by? Is there a number that they both have that they can kind of be chopped up evenly by? 2, are they both even? Well, 12 is, but 9's not. So we can't divide both by 2 evenly. What about 3? 3, 6, 9. Ooh, yeah. So I can do essentially a 3/3 diva. Okay. And then instead of multiplying to make these bigger, we're going to divide. Woo, that's a division sign. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided, you can just make a new one, divided by 3 is 4. 3/4. Do they share any other factors that could simplify this any further? No. So 3/4 is what you get as you add 1/3 and 5/12.